Okay, so once it's all flush, your stock adapter will actually fit in here just like this. Your top hole will line up with the threaded hole in the stock adapter, okay? Over here you'll notice there's no holes. All right, so the best way to get that set up is there's a rib right here, okay? So this rib, you're gonna make it blade on the side of the stock, or side of the receiver, push down on it, you're gonna push up till it stops, okay? Then you're gonna take a straight edge and go across the receiver so it's flat on the receiver, and the stock adapter pops the other side, okay? This hole is bored completely through. So now you take your little scribe, you'll push it all the way down in there, and you'll make your little mark. Make sure you get down all the way to the receiver. And when you pull that off, there's just a little bitty mark right here. Now you'll take and you'll center punch this mark. That way when you go to drill it out, it's not gonna wander, your bit's not gonna wander around. And now for the other side, you'll just do exactly the same thing. Once those are drilled, this will go back in, and then you will put in the 3 screws that are supplied with the stock adapter.